So I'm redoing this cabinet today. This is what it looks like right now. So there it is without all the crap on it. Okay, so I went to Home Depot yesterday, I went to Lowe's yesterday, and I got this plastic drops. These are $5. And then I also got some carpet stain spot remover, you know, the Folex, $5, not bad. That's for another project though. And then I got this universal hammered paint and primer all-in-one spray paint. And I got just some Scotch blue tape to tape off all the windows and stuff like that. So yeah, all right, let's get started. Alright, we're going to start with our first coat of this universal hammered paint and primer. Alright, so I set up more of like a little tent so it'll be better and safer. Okay, so I was going to literally tape off each rectangle on each door, and then I realized I can slide a piece of paper underneath it because these don't touch the glass. There's like a little bit of a space. So that just saved me so much time. I'll probably still tape them down, but I can put a couple pieces of paper there instead of doing, you know, instead of taping the rectangles off for each one. So boom, Time-saving hack, use some paper. Okay, so as you can see, the inside is still blue because this cabinet is really short and I'm gonna be putting so much stuff in there, and it's gonna be like kind of like a high traffic area because I'm gonna be putting my school stuff in there. So I really didn't wanna waste any paint. And when you walk by, with the doors on, you barely see it anyways. So I just left that, you know, blue, you know. But that's just because I don't want to waste paint. But yeah. Okay, so here is the doors. This is what they look like. All right, so I'm just gonna go in and take them off, and then this one as well. So yeah. And I have officially spray painted this over 12 hours ago, so I think we're gonna be fine. Ooh, I totally missed the bottom on that one. Make that the bottom part of the door. Oh, and there's dog hair out here. Alright, so I'm just gonna lift up the paper. Okay, so this is my finished product. As you can see, as you can see, there's still the blue in there, but honestly, I don't mind it. Because once you put stuff in it, honestly, no one's gonna notice that, but I might take a paintbrush with the spray paint tomorrow and just kind of touch it up. But yeah, it's shiny, and it's gonna be great to put all my school stuff in because obviously school's at home, and I'm tired of having all my shit on our kitchen table. So that will be moved over. I might even put some shelving units right here too, but I'll keep you posted. So for tonight, that's all I'm doing. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. So this is what it looks like in the morning, and I'm honestly loving it. I went through last night, super ghetto job, but I just took a paintbrush. Oops, sorry. I took a paintbrush with the spray paint. I just put it in like a little cup, and I just kind of like painted it on the sides. I still got like the paper stuck underneath here, so I don't really know how I'm gonna pull that one out. But you know, for a ghetto spray paint job, not too shabby. So yeah, now I'm just gonna put my books in it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Rams came to help too. He just loves to sit here with me. So this is before organizing. As you can see, we've got a lot going on, and it's just always a mess. So I'm gonna clean everything up, and I'm gonna put it and organize it in my cabinet. Real quick, do want to say I got these little marble plastic bins at the dollar store for obviously $1. So I got 2. I might go back and get more because I can easily place 3 on the top of this cabinet, and I can also do 3 on the bottom if I need to. I probably won't because I'm gonna put the printer down there just so it's not, you know, up on the table and all the stuff, whatever. But I'm gonna do like my planner stickers in here, and then I'm gonna do one for cords because I feel like on the desk the cords are just what get, like, you know, the messiest and stuff like that. All right, let's get started. All right, so I finally got the table all cleaned off, and yeah, so this is what the black cabinet looks like. This is why I didn't paint the inside of it, because honestly, you can barely see it. I have so much stuff in there. So I'll kind of just walk you through what I put in here. Okay, so first, I want everything to be able to be put on the desk and then put away, so everything has a place. I've got my pens, my planner pens, my expo pens, extra pens, my Japanese pens that I love, you know, and other accessories. And then I've got my printer here. And then when this was on the desk, I used to put my laptop and then my iPad on top of it like this, so I just thought I'd keep that the same. And then here I have extra college ruled paper because that's the way I take my notes, planner stickers, a little budget thing, I have blue light glasses, and then another little dollar store organizer. And then here I have cords. Now I just put a little clip on them because it's easiest and cost effective. You can get those from the dollar store. And just some camera accessories. If I want to have a drink on the table, I'll pull that coaster out. But yeah, pretty basic. And then I have my planner here, and then any important documents I need for school or anything like that, I just have those right here. So yeah, it's pretty simple. This is stuff that I'm gonna use every day for college. So I want it to be very functional space. I'm trying to get more functional and intentional with what I'm doing and what I'm putting in my home. So yeah, that is the black cabinet, and I of course had to add me a little fiddle leaf. I mean, look at this new growth though. Oh, little growth right there, there we go. So yeah, that is the purpose. And here's my cabinet. This is gonna be my functional organization. Everything has a place, so when I take it out and put it on the table, I can put it right back in the cabinet and my table will look like this. All right, so I thought I'd get it from a different angle. So yes, thank you so much for coming and watching my cabinet transformation video. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for stopping by.